This is the PERLESMITH 75mm to 200mm TV mount wall bracket, and it takes up to 20 kilograms. So if I just open up the box now, which will take me a second, you get a template for the particular wall bracket that you can see on the actual right hand side, and it's very clear. It is self-explanatory, and you just follow the actual template as to where to mount the particular bracket. Also, you get an instruction manual, which is here, and as you know, this is a full motion TV wall bracket. It's in English and other languages, and if you look inside, it shows the particular dimensions of the back of your TV as to how to mount it, and the tools and things that you need to actually fit the particular TV. Well, I'm just not going to go into that anyway, because it's quite self-explanatory. You just work your way through it. So that's the bracket up now. That's the TV up as well. That's what it looks like. It was drilled into the wall, and as you can see, it's been fitted correctly, and that's the position we've got it in at the moment anyway. So it's quite decent. It's bolted to the wall actually by 2 bolts, and it looks pretty good. So that's it there. I haven't got it too high up because I can see it from the actual settee. That's another view of it there again. Right, so that's about it more than anything. So peace out, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Okay, all the best. Bye bye.